KMES English Medium Junior College welcome its students for 7th online lecture of Psychology for Chapter 2nd, Intelligence. For the topic Introduction and Perspective on Intelligence. Students, in this chapter Intelligence, we have to study about following subtopics. 1. Introduction. 2nd. Perspectives on intelligence. 3rd. Measurement of intelligence. 4th. Types of intelligence tests. 5th. Application on intelligence tests. 6th. Artificial intelligence. Today we are starting with the introduction of the chapter Intelligence. Introduction. Individual who score 90% marks in exam is intelligent individual. So, intelligence is necessary for success, competition, taking decisions, getting job, making money, etc. So let's understand the term intelligence in psychology. Psychologists' view about intelligence. Psychologists' view about this quality intelligence of human being is 1. Intelligence is unique, highest quality of human being. 2nd, intelligence has proved human being to be supreme. 3rd, intelligence helps human being to reach new horizons of progress. 4th, so intelligence is the gift. So the term intelligence is the ability to gain and apply knowledge and skill. It is very special and great in status. It has proved human being to be highest in authority and rank. It helps human being to achieve to the limit of a person's understanding and interest. So, because of all this quality, intelligence is a boon to mankind. What is intelligence? Intelligence is our capacity to understand world, to think rationally, and to use available resource effectively. Psychologists define intelligence in different ways, depending upon their perspectives. Let's view the perspectives on intelligence. Perspectives on intelligence. There are two perspectives on intelligence. 1. Intelligence as a single global ability. 2nd, intelligence as a several different abilities. So there are two ways of seeing intelligence. 1. As one overall skill of person is responsible for everything in human life. Second, as multiple different skills that are combined to produce what is happening in a person's life. Intelligence as a single ability. Psychologists like Alfred Binet, Louis Terman, David Wechsler believed in 1. Unitary notion of intelligence. Second, function of intelligence take different forms, but it is the same ability. Third, they believed that intelligence is a single entity. So these psychologists believe in unitary notion of intelligence and that in single general abilities. Definition of intelligence. So the psychologists who see intelligence as a single entity define it as, according to Louis Terman, an ability to think on an abstract level is called intelligence. So intelligence, according to him, is the skill to think in a way relating to ideas or qualities of something that is not physically present. Another person who believes in single entity is David Wechsler. David Wechsler, he defined intelligence as: intelligence is the aggregate or global capacity of an individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with his environment. So intelligence, according to him, is overall capacity of an individual to act intentionally, to think logically, and to behave in such a way that produce an intended result. Intelligence as a set of multiple abilities. Psychologists like E.L. Thorndike, Louis Thurston, Charles Spearman, etc. believe in the notion that multiple abilities are involved in intelligence. It means number of factors are joined together to give the intended result. Now let's study the perspectives of multiple abilities of these psychologists. Charles Spearman, in 1927, with the help of statistical method called factor analysis, he separated and identified two factors of intelligence. One, general factor G, second, specific factor S. According to him, in general factor, minimum competence is required to carry out daily work. In specific factor, specific abilities are required to solve the problem in specific area. Raymond Cattell and John Horn. They propose a theory of intelligence which explains two types of intelligence. One, fluid intelligence. Second, crystallized intelligence. Let's understand fluid and crystallized intelligence. Fluid intelligence, it is dependent on neurological development and it is free from the influence of learning and experience. Whereas crystallized intelligence, it is not dependent on one's neurological development and it is a function of one's educational attainment, acquired experiences and stock of knowledge. E.L. Thorndike, he gave three independent abilities that is called as intelligence. These three independent qualities of intelligence are abstract intelligence, social intelligence, concrete intelligence. Let's study these three intelligences in detail. Abstract intelligence. It is art of presenting ideas or qualities that are not physically present. It is the ability to verbal and symbolize thinking. Social intelligence. It is a type of intelligence that needs the company of others. It is an ability to understand and manage other people and to engage in adaptive social interaction. Concrete intelligence. It is the intelligence that talks about things existing in physical form. It is the ability of an individual to comprehend actual situations and to react to them adequately. These types of intelligence is applicable when the individual is handling concrete objects. Louis Thurston, he proposed 7 independent primary abilities that can be called intelligence. These 7 primary abilities are: 1. Verbal comprehension. 2nd. Word fluency. 3rd. Number facilities. 4th. Spectral visualization. 5th. Associative memory. 6th. Perceptual speed. 7. Reasoning. Let's understand each of these primary abilities in detail. 7 primary abilities are: verbal comprehension. It is the ability to define and understand words. 2nd, word fluency. It is an ability to produce words rapidly. 3rd, number facility. It is the ability to solve arithmetic problems. 4th, spectral visualization. It is the ability to visualize relationships. 5th, associative memory. It is the ability to memorize and recall. 6th, perceptual speed. It is a cognitive ability that defines speed in comparing figures and symbols. 7th, reasoning. It is a process of thinking about things in a logical and rational way. Howard Gardner. He gave theory of multiple intelligence, in which there are 9 independent types of intelligence that grow and develop differently in different individuals, depending upon the individual characteristics or environmental experience. These 9 types of intelligence are linguistic intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, spectral intelligence, musical intelligence, body kinesthetic intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, naturalistic intelligence, and essential intelligence. Let's study these theory of multiple intelligence in detail. Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligence, which consists of 9 independent types of intelligence. First, linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence, it deals with individual ability to understand both spoken and written language, as well as ability to speak and write themselves. Second, logical mathematical intelligence. It refers to our ability to think logically, reason it out, and identify connection in them. Third, spectral intelligence. It is the ability or mental skill to solve spectral problems of navigation, visualization of objects from different angles and phases, and to notice fine details. Musical intelligence is dedicated to how skillfully an individual is performing, composing, and appreciating music. Body kinesthetic intelligence is a learning style. It refers to a person's ability to process information physically through hand and body movement, control and expression. 6. Interpersonal intelligence. It is the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. It involves effective verbal and non-verbal communication. 7. Intrapersonal intelligence. It is the capacity to explore one's inner world and feelings. 8. Naturalistic intelligence. It is the ability to identify, classify, and manipulate elements of the environment, objects, animals, and plants. 9. Essential intelligence. Essential intelligence involves an individual ability to use collective values and intuition to understand others and the world around them.